Let us make these paper quill cherries today. To start with, we'll take a green colored 3 mm 24-inch long ribbon. This is called a comb tool, and make a turn using 2 pins in the center. Apply a bit of glue, white glue, and roll the strip on it. Pass on the strip from the next pin, roll it, and then next on the other side. Keep doing this till you reach 7 pins on both the sides. Once it is done, carefully remove it all together. Hold it from the center and bend it on both the sides together. Make sure you don't press it on the edges before. Press in the center first and then gradually press on the edges. Do not cut the loose end. Apply some glue on this side and give a turn with the same ribbon, pressing it at the edge. Turn it again. Apply glue on the other side. Stick it and press it again. Do not cut, leave the long edge as it is. So this is like one leaflet which is made. We will make a total of 9 such leaflets, and then we'll stick one on each other to show you how. So once you have all the leaflets ready, leave some space, let's say around 1 centimeter, and apply glue on the whole strip. On this side where you have the straight ribbon, just press it on it after sticking it. Do the same thing on the other side. Apply some glue, leaving 1 centimeter around. Stick the leaflet on the side where there is a turn and press it. Continue doing this for all the rest of the ribbons. Stick all the 9 leaflets together and the whole leaf will be ready. So we'll make 3 such leaflets, as we want to arrange it in a triangular manner, and then we'll make 3 cherries to stick in between them. To make the cherries, I have glued up 5 red ribbons of 3 mm 24-inch long together, and then using a flat tool in my needle, I have made a tight coil of these 5 ribbons. Stick the loose end and remove it, and give a dome shape to it using the dome tool by pressing it from the center towards the outer side. Apply glue properly inside, covering all the surface, and allow it to dry. Once dried up, apply some glue on the outer edge and stick a single ribbon around it. Apply more glue on the whole ribbon. And stick it together such that it makes a small branch of the stem rather of the cherry. So we are going to make 3 set cherries and stick it. Before that, we'll stick the leaves. So I've just bent the stem of the leaf here. I'm gonna stick it together. If you notice, I have kept one leaf above the other. This will just give it a nice look to it instead of just sticking them side by side. Once this dries up, we'll place the 3 cherries on it. I've done the same thing with the cherries as well. I have adhered the 3 cherries together. So I'll invert it and place it in a proper way. I'll apply white glue on the edges and simply lay it down on the leaves and allow it to dry. You can apply Mod Podge if you wish to. While it's ready, you can use it as a decor for your tree or as an ornament for hanging. Hope you liked it.